Hi everyone, welcome back to Catchy channel, where we bring you the best DIY tips and tricks to transform your home. Today we are diving into painting skirting boards to achieve that perfect polished look. Here is what you'll need. No more gaps for sealing larger gaps, filler for nail holes and finer cracks, 120 grit sandpaper, tape to protect your floors, scraper if required, your chosen skirting board paint, and a quality paintbrush. Finally, a thinner may be required for cleaning any mishaps. First, we are sealing any big gaps between the skirting board and the wall using no more gaps. This helps prevent future cracking and ensures a smooth finish. Next, we will use a filler to cover nail holes, smaller cracks, and the top of the no more gaps that we have already applied. Smooth it out carefully for the best results. After letting the filler dry for a few hours, it's time to sand it down. I recommend 120 grit sandpaper for a perfectly smooth surface. Before we paint, let's tape off the floor to catch any stray paint drops. These small steps saves a lot of cleaning time later. I recommend semi-gloss oil-based paint, which should be well stirred before using. Now for the fun part, painting. Use a good quality brush and work in even strokes for a smooth professional finish. Keep in mind that the paint fumes can be strong, so ensure the room is well ventilated. Allow at least 8 hours for the paint to dry. Once the paint is dry, carefully remove the tape. And there you have it. And use thinner to clean up any stray paint drops. Just look at that shine. A well-painted skirting board can completely elevate the look of your home's interior. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY tips. See you next time.